400 for Delta 422 heavy.
Rodeo 910, speed 180 to Kobe, please. Tower now 133.9. Good day.
123.9 and Rodeo 910.
And 133.9er. Delta 422 heavy, traffic on your rollout will be 11 o'clock, heavy on the South Complex straight in. The airport 3 o'clock, when 3 miles advised in sight.
We got the heavy on the airport in front of us, 422 heavy.
Roger.
And airport in sight, airframe 34, everything, clear visual approach, runway 25 left.
Yes, visual approach, 25 left.
SoCal approach, check at 834, we've got 8.5 descending VV Ironman 2, we got Lima for Hawthorne.
Is it a nice thumbnail?
Exit 834, expect visual approach, runway 25.
Alright, we'll expect that.
Cleared visual bridge runway 24 right.
Heading 220, cleared for the visual, 24 right, the 422 heavy.
Qantas 15 heavy, SoCal bridge, roger. Delta 422 heavy, speed 170 to Kobe, contact towers there on 133.9, traffic on your left heavy on the South Complex straight in. Good day.
Okay, we'll do that, 170 until Kobe down the tower, we'll have that done, Delta 422.
Gulfstream 1 Whiskey Echo, reduce speeds now to 180, Compton wake turbulence to follow a heavy Boeing 767.
Understand the wake turbulence will slow to 180 knots for 651 Whiskey Echo.
Yep.
Falcon 10 Mike, SoCal Rush.
Got the field set up to help for 10.
Falcon 10 Mike, follow glide path down, speed 250 for now, cleared visual approach 25 left.
South approach, roger.
Exit 834, maintain 7,000, flighting 110.
Alright, 7,110, check at 834.
Update 41, speed 210, advise airport in sight.
Airport side, going to 210 on airport.
Update 41, cleared visual approach 25 left.
Visual 25 left on airport.
American 2654, speed 180 to GG, report airport in sight.
180 GG airport in sight,
American 2654, cleared visual approach 25 left.
Visual 25 left.
Qantas 15 heavy, speed and maintain 3,000.
Stand by, maintain 3,000, Qantas 15.
American 2654, Gulfstream, right base by downtown. Those going down Logie side to for the north side.
Gulfstream 1 Whiskey Echo, traffic at your 11 o'clock, American Boeing 737 out of 4,000 on the South Complex straight in. The airport is 2 o'clock, 2 miles.
Airport in sight, 651 Whiskey Echo.
Gulfstream 1 Whiskey Echo, fly heading 220, clear visual approach runway 24 right.
Heading 0, visual approach, right, 651 Whiskey Echo.
Gulfstream 1 Whiskey Echo, speed 160 or greater to Kobe, contact towers there on 133.9 today.
160 or better to Kobe and over to Tower 33.9 at Kobe, 651 Whiskey Echo.
5 American 2654, I'm going.
Good day. Falcon 10 Mike, reduce speed 210.
Slow on the 210, 210 for 1 somewhere.
Exit 834, reduce speed 180.
180 on the speed, check at 834.
Jet 834, going to widen you out a bit, fly heading a 130.
Okay, 130, check at 834.
One is 15 heavy, reduce speed to 180.
Using 180 knots.
Westbound, just showing them at 4,500 now, maintain 5,000. I'll have Laura when I turn you to the east for a downwind.
Okay, we're looking for the traffic, just at 834.
Delta 841, speed 180 to GG, Airbus 330 on the right, will be for the north side.
180 to GG, Delta 841.
That was 38 Falls SoCal approach, thank you.
2 miles, 4,500, flighting 090.
090, check at 834, and we're still looking for
Southern Cargo 2535 heavy, reduced speed 180.
Radio speed 180, Southern Cargo 2535 heavy.
One is 15 heavy, turn right 160.
Right, heading 160.
Go 2535 heavy, fighting 360.
La heading 360, Southern Cargo 2535 heavy.
841, tower 120, 905.
2095, Delta 841, good evening.
In 10 Mike, speed 180 or greater till GG, Qantas on the right will be for the north side, Airbus 330.
Hi, 180 greater till GG, looking for Qantas for 10.
Jet 834, turn left heading 320, descend and maintain 1,600.
Left 330, 1,600, check at 834.
Southern Cargo 2535 heavy, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descend and maintain 4,000, Southern Cargo 2535 heavy.
United 1945, reduce speed to 180, do you have the airport site? United 1945, third visual approach, runway 24 right. One is 15 heavy, the airport 12 o'clock, 10 miles, do you have it in sight? One is 15 heavy, third visual approach, runway 24 right, maintain 180 knots to the freeway.
This person is all right, 180.
American 3008, Roger, speed 250. Southern Cargo 2535 heavy, turn left heading 280, join runway 25 left, localize.
La heading 280 and join localizer of runway 25 left.
33.9 across.
First, Army 106 Victor Alpha, 3,500.
RB 106 Victor Alpha, SoCal approach, Los Angeles altimeter 29907, standing outside of the Los Angeles Class Bravo airspace.
29907 outside of Bravo, 6 Victor Alpha.
That was 38 small, descend and maintain 3,000.
Descend and maintain 3,000 again, 38 12.
Port airport in sight.
Speed 180 or greater until report runway 7.
Exact at 834, we have all of them.
Jet 834, third visual approach, runway 25, contact Hawthorne Tower 121.1.
Clear to the visual 25 over the tower, such as 834.
Southern Cargo 2535 heavy, cleared visual approach, runway 25 left.
Skyway 3276, 10,800, descending via the Ironman, expecting ILS for right.
Skyway 3276, SoCal approach, thank you.
Skyway 3437 heavy. Affirmative, also reduce speed 180 following heavy 777.
I don't know what that one's coming in.
Skyway 3437.
It's Hawaiian Air.
Headed 1945, 180 all the way to Kobe, contact Los Angeles Tower, 133.9.
All the way in 1945. Good afternoon, SoCal, 43 Fox Romeo, going on to 3000.
That's the last couple calls. 3 Foxtrot Romeo heading 360, descending at 3000. Yeah, I think you were one of them.
Affirmative, 3 Fox Romeo, going down 3000 on 360.
3 Foxtrot Romeo, roger. You want a visual approach or interim approach into Hawthorne?
Localizer into Hawthorne for 3 Fox Romeo.
Roger, expected. Southern Cargo 2535 heavy, contact tower 120905. Delta 753, speed 250. Skyway 3437, descend and maintain 4000, advise airport in sight. 4000, Skyway 3437.
Purchase any 160.
40 heavy, roger, maintain speed 250. Skyway 3437, turn left heading 280 to join, clear visual approach 25 left. Visual approach 25 left.
China Airline?
Beijing.
Skyway 3437, you're 7.5 miles behind the heavy ahead. Make the speed 170 to GG. Skyway 3437, company right base on the downtown side is for the north complex out of 3000.
Zero, intercept all flights are in airport inside, Skyway 3812.
Skyway 3812, cleared visual approach, runway 24 right.
Clear visual approach 24 right, Skyway 3812.
Skyway 3276, descend and maintain 3000.
Descend maintain 3000, Skyway 3276.
6 Victor Alpha, contact approach on 121.3.
113, 6 Alpha.
Skyway 3812, once you're established, there's going to be a company Embraer just south of you for the south complex. Contact Los Angeles Tower 133.9.
Alright, traffic in sight and over to tower, Skyway 3812, good day.
Base Alpha 668, reduce speed 180.
Roll 180, tell 668.
That's our first cut 69, 910,600. The close speed.
Skyway 6969, that's not first, thank you. Skyway 3276, speed 180.
It's going to 180, Skyway 3276.
Southwest 668, turn right 160, report the airport site.
Right turn 160, airport side, tell 668.
Southwest 668, clear visual approach, runway 24 right.
Clear the visual approach 24 right, tell 668.
Southwest 668, your clear visual approach 24 right, right turn 220 to join your flight.
Right turn 820, cruise position, right, southwest,
Okay, Skywest 3452, descend and maintain 3000.
783,000, skies 3452.
753, clear visual approach 25 left. Split 40 heavy, speed 210 or greater, advise wind 25 left in space.
210 and greater, we'll go to 2239, 105, descending via the Hollywood, on the next third hours.
American 2239, caution wake turbulence 13 miles and trail heavy 777, maintain speed 250 for now.
Maintain center,
American 3008, speed 180 to DD, tower 12095.
180 GG and 2095, American 3008, come on.
Skywest 3276, clear visual approach, runway 24 right.
Approach down at 1221, via the riders, through 9,000, speed 200 knots.
United 1221, SoCal approach, thank you.
Alaska 1343, after still beat fighting 350, vectors 25 left.
Still be 350 for back in
Split 40 heavy, rigid speed 180.
180, skies 3452.
Skywest 6969, descend and maintain 3000.
Maintain 3000, skies 6969.
Site when you have it for a visual approach. Scores are heavy, you're now cleared for visual approach, 25 left, speed 180 to GT.